All right, guys. One thing that I would like to say, for those who has been planning, you've been thinking, you have a trucking experience. Good. You have a forklift experience. That is very good. I keep telling you guys that all those things cannot immediately bring you to abroad. These things can help you only when you must have come to abroad here. Do you understand? No knowledge is waste. If you are coming to abroad, you are a truck driver. Even if you come here, you need to undergo another training. And for you to undergo that training again, that means you need to have your proper stay before you can be able to reintegrate. What that your experience, what as a truck driver or as a forklift operator will do for you is to speed up your training. If someone who does not have an idea of truck driving or forklift is going to take 6 months in order to do his training or her training, for you that has the experience, it will take you only but probably 1 month or lesser than 1 month because you already have the idea, the knowledge. The only thing you need to know more is how the European road or Western world road functions, the road signs, and some other little things that you need to put into consideration while driving or operating a forklift right here in abroad. Okay, some of you do inbox me saying that you have idea of this, you have idea of that, you are a forklift driver, you are a driver, you are this, you are that. If someone does not get you job, work invitation or work visa, getting a job with those experience is often very difficult. You guys know that I like to keep it open. I like to make it transparent so that you will understand and prepare yourself before you come. Nevertheless, there are some certain handwork that are capable to help you immediately you arrive here. What are those handwork? Is stylist, barber, cutting of hairs. These are the kind of handwork that are capable to help you. Any other job that you want to do when you arrive here without coming here with a working visa, you need to obtain your legal stay before you can do that job, except you want to do it illegal. And doing an illegal job is not advisable because no country plays with someone who is doing illegal job. That means you are playing with their intelligence. So if they get you, they will put you in jail. These are the things involved in using someone's documents to work. You will go to jail, and after that, you might face repatriation, and you have tarnished your own record in the country. That is the disadvantage of using someone's document. I'm not saying that you will not find. It's very possible. People are doing it. And the mad name, and the on when they have a say yes. Na become much akwụkwọ mmadụ ị ga-enweta akwụkwọ mmadụ ị ga-eji rụọ ọrụ mana ọwụghọ something ị ga-apụta gị kwuo ya very open. Ọwụghọ something ị ga-apụta onye na-amaghị onye ọwụ onye na-amaghị onye ewu ewere akwụkwọ ya nye gị. Most cases they are afraid inye gị akwụkwọ ha maka na enwere ike iji aga commit one or two things tupu mmadụ enye gị akwụkwọ ya ka iji rụọ ọrụ. They must have seen you, known you for some time before enye gị akwụkwọ. Ọ na ọ nwere onye ma gị ọfụma ma ọ na ọ nwere onye ma gị ọfụma. Somebody that knows you very well, or somebody that knows someone who knows you very well, have to stand for you before Made to go and work. Do you understand? So, why I'm saying this is because of some of you who have been saying that you have forklift experience. Let me just tell you this. Coming here, forklift, you can obtain a forklift license within a space of 1 week. Ask anybody who is living here in abroad. All right? The ones that can give you job that you are looking for is heavy duty forklift. People who operate the kind of forklift that is being used in wharf, in offloading containers, all those heavy duty forklifts, all those crane. These are experiences we have already. But coming to Western world without having a legal stay, if you did not come through work visa, any other means you are coming with your experience, you need to obtain a legal stay. Legal resident permit, what permits you to stay in the country before you can be able to start using that your experience to work. Do you understand? My wonderful people, here I will call him down. I said, let me just touchlight this one so that those of you who have been shouting about which kind of handwork, if you can learn welder, that is very good. It's a very lucrative one. If you can learn hairdressing, weaving of hair, that one can help you. Immediately you come into the country because you can even be managing in someone's shop even when you don't have akwụkwọ. Cutting of hair will make you a millionaire when you come to abroad if you know what you're doing. Cutting of hair can make you a millionaire within a short period of time when you come to abroad, even without having akwụkwọ. You can also be attaching with someone and do your things. Also make a one chonchego. I'll see you in next one. King of updates. Holland Dove.